Good morning, dear student. Today we are discussing about the text positive health. Dear student, this lesson is written by Subra Dutt, a notable physician. Dear student, the positive health has been taken from the Complete Health Encyclopedia written by Subra Dutt. Dear student, in this chapter we will read about positive health, and before going in detail we read about the text in short. Dear student, about the text positive health. Positive health has been taken from the Complete Health Encyclopedia written by Subra Dutt, a notable physician. Dear student, पॉजिटिव हेल्थ सुब्रा दत्त प्रसिद्ध फिजिशियन डॉक्टर द्वारा रचित द कंप्लीट हेल्थ इंसाइक्लोपीडिया से लिया गया है. She urges that positive health is a matter of disciplined daily routine including good eating habits and tension-free minds. People in developed countries have achieved better physical health, but their mental health is poor. She believes that home-made remedies are very effective to treat many diseases, so too much dependence on doctors is undesirable. Dear students, positive health in children sometimes depend on the attitude of their parents. If the parents put too much pressure on their children to achieve instant success, they become distressed and begin to take drugs. Dear student, she urges that positive health is a matter of disciplined daily routine. Dear student, वह तर्क देती है कि सकारात्मक स्वास्थ्य एक अनुशासित दिनचर्या है, इंक्लूडिंग गुड ईटिंग हैबिट्स, टेंशन फ्री माइंड्स, जिसमें भोजन की अच्छी आदतें और तनावमुक्त मस्तिष्क सम्मिलित होता है. पीपल इन डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज हैव अचीव्ड बेटर फिजिकल हेल्थ. डियर स्टूडेंट, विकसित देशों में लोगों ने बेहतर स्वास्थ्य को प्राप्त किया है. लोगों ने शारीरिक स्वास्थ्य को प्राप्त कर लिया है, किंतु उनका मस्तिष्क स्वास्थ्य अभी भी कमज़ोर है. शी बिलीव्स दैट मेड रेमेडीज़ आर वेरी इफेक्टिव टू ट्रीट मैनी डिजीज़. और उनका मानना है, वह मानती है कि घर पर बनाए गए नुस्खे, वह विश्वास करती है कि घरेलू उपचार अनेक बीमारियों के लिए प्रभावी होता है. अतः चिकित्सकों पर अत्यधिक निर्भरता ठीक नहीं है. So too much dependence on doctors is undesirable. Positive health in children sometimes depends on the attitude of their parents. Dear student, बच्चों में सकारात्मक स्वास्थ्य कभी कभी उसके माता पिता के व्यवहार पर निर्भर करता है. If the parent put too much pressure on their children to achieve instant success, यदि उनके माता पिता तुरंत तत्काल सफलता को प्राप्त करने के लिए अपने बच्चों के ऊपर अत्यधिक दबाव बनाते हैं, दे बिकेम डिस्ट्रेस्ड, वे तनावग्रस्त हो जाते हैं और ड्रग्स, नशीले पदार्थ लेना प्रारंभ कर देते हैं. बिगिन टू टेक ड्रग्स, और वो नशीला पदार्थ लेना प्रारंभ कर देते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट, इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल रीड अबाउट गुड पॉजिटिव हैबिट्स, पॉजिटिव हेल्थ. डियर स्टूडेंट, here glossary is given. Dear student, glossary write down and memorize it. Content, it is an adjective and its synonym is satisfied, harmonious, friendly, nutritional status, the level of taking food necessary for health and growth, interactions, noun, communication with others, interaction, eluding, escaping, slipping away, close knit, adjective, bound, woven together, sophisticated, highly developed vaccination, medical treatment by injecting a vaccine into the body to produce immunity against disease. Dear student, fatal. Fatal is equal to disease. Immunization create ability in human body through medication to resist a particular infection. Interference, maternal, having to do with a mother, decline, downfall, gradual and continuous loss. Psychoanalyst, a person who treats mentally ill patient by making analysis of their past and present history of life. Psychiatrist, a doctor who studies and treats mental illness. Compassion, noun, and pity is equal. Indigenous, adjective, native, homemade. Indigenous, companion, series of planned activities intended to achieve a goal. Instinct, a inborn tendency to behave in a particular way. Obesity, fatness. Carnivorous, adjective, meat eating, non-vegetarian. Diarrhea, a stomach disorder caused by infection in bowels and intestines. Stimulate, cause a reaction in an organ. Frustration, feeling of dissatisfaction and desperation. Disperse, conventional, traditional. Adolescent, adjective, pertaining to a young person who is developing from a child into an adult. Adolescent, किशोरावस्था. Dear student,